My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
What's up, guys? This Christmas, upgrade your kitchen with 20+ genius kitchen gadgets that make cooking faster, easier, and more fun. From smart choppers to heated scoops, space-saving organizers, and time-saving slicers, these affordable tools boost convenience instantly. Whether you're hosting or gifting, these must-have gadgets bring joy, efficiency, and festive magic to every kitchen. So let's get started. Number 20 is OXO Good Grips 14-piece Cookie Press Set. Effortless cookie perfection. This cookie press set, available for around $39, makes flawless cookie shaping unbelievably easy. With 12 premium stainless steel discs, you can press beautiful designs, trees, flowers, snowflakes, and more in seconds. Its non-slip base keeps everything steady, while the clear chamber lets you track dough levels. The large, cushioned lever prevents strain during big batches, and the quick, clean design saves time. Complete with a compact storage case, this set brings professional quality cookies to any kitchen. The next is number 19. Heated Ice Cream Scoop. Effortless scooping made smarter. This cream scoop, now 25% off at around $29, lets you scoop rock-hard ice cream with zero effort. Its front-first heating technology softens ice cream instantly, while the grip sensor activates heat naturally as you hold it. A 40-second auto timer keeps it ready for the next scoop. The chrome-plated mirror finish ensures durability, corrosion resistance, and easy cleaning. Designed to protect flavor without thawing, it delivers perfect, round scoops every time. The next is number 18. Utopia Kitchen Cereal Container Storage. This kitchen cereal containers, available for around $19, make food storage smarter and fresher. With airtight, leak-proof lids and a smooth pouring spout, they keep cereal and dry goods crisp for longer. Crafted from durable premium plastic, these containers are perfect for organizing everything: rice, sugar, snacks, coffee, even pet food. Slim, fridge-safe, and easy to label with included stickers and a chalk marker, their patent-pending design delivers space-saving convenience every kitchen needs. The next is number 17. Upgrade Safe Mandoline Slicer, the ultimate time-saving kitchen tool. This Mandoline Slicer, priced around $46, brings unbeatable safety, speed, and precision to your kitchen. Its protected built-in blades keep your hands safe while offering 100+ slicing options, from paper-thin cuts to perfect julienne and dice. Ideal for potatoes, onions, carrots, and more, it makes prep incredibly fast. The foldable, compact design, easy clean brush, and food catch container keep your space tidy. With durable 420 stainless steel and a 2-year replacement guarantee, it's the smart choice for effortless cooking. The next is number 16. Kitchen Star 16-inch Pizza Cutter, your new kitchen game changer. This pizza cutter, now 5% off at just $39, delivers restaurant-quality slicing at home. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel rocker blade cuts through any crust in one smooth motion, while the ergonomic beech wood handle offers unbeatable comfort. A secure blade cover ensures safe storage. Beyond pizza, it slices quesadillas, flatbreads, and sandwiches effortlessly. If you want cleaner cuts, quicker prep, and a tool that elevates every meal, this is the must-have kitchen upgrade. The next is number 15 is Portable Mini Ultrasonic Dishwasher. It's a smart wireless cleaning innovation. Bring modern convenience to your kitchen with the Portable Mini Ultrasonic Dishwasher, now available for around $51. This smart, wireless device uses advanced ultrasonic waves and dual vortex impact technology for deep and efficient cleaning of dishes, fruits, and vegetables. Its super shock stripping and free vortex flush technology save time, water, and electricity while ensuring spotless results. Compact and easy to store, it fits perfectly in any kitchen. With dual cleaning modes and eco-friendly performance, this innovative mini dishwasher makes everyday cleaning effortless, safe, and smart, perfect for modern homes and small spaces. The next is Portable Foldable Steel BBQ Charcoal Stove. It's a perfect for outdoor grilling. Enjoy effortless outdoor cooking with this portable foldable barbecue charcoal stove, now available for around $15. Made from durable stainless steel, it's ideal for BBQs, camping, hiking, and picnics. Its foldable design ensures easy setup and portability, while the efficient charcoal system provides even heat for perfect grilling. The next is wireless meat thermometer. Now you can get it around $30. Upgrade your cooking with the A7 Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer, designed for perfect grilling every time. Featuring dual probes and Bluetooth connectivity up to 200 meters, it offers real-time temperature monitoring via an easy-to-use app. With 10 preset menus, 5 flavor settings, and 1 degree Celsius precision, you'll achieve flawless results whether grilling, smoking, or baking. The IP68 waterproof probe, HD touch display, and built-in timer with alarm make it both durable and convenient. Plus, the Type-C charging ensures quick power-ups, making this thermometer a must-have for smart home chefs. Number 12. Automatic Electric Noodle and Dumpling Maker Smart Kitchen Tool with 7 molds. Transform your homemade meals with the Automatic Electric Noodle Maker, a versatile kitchen essential designed for speed and convenience. With a 400G dough capacity, this compact machine delivers fresh noodles or dumpling wrappers in just 3 minutes. Featuring 7 interchangeable molds, it offers a variety of noodle shapes to suit every dish. The stainless steel faceted parts ensure durability and hygiene, while detachable accessories make cleanup a breeze. Its switch button operation is user-friendly, and a full charge after 4 hours supports up to 50 uses, ideal for frequent home cooks. Weighing just 4 kilograms, it's easy to store and move. The 135 multiplied 145 millimeters noodle cup adds to its practicality. Sleek and white, this tool is perfect for modern kitchens. Whether it's dumplings or ramen, enjoy freshly made meals effortlessly with this all-in-one machine. The next is Number 11. Keystone 4-Slice Stainless Steel Retro Toaster. Style meets function for busy kitchens. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Keystone 4-Slice Toaster, a perfect blend of vintage design and modern functionality. Crafted from 316 food-grade stainless steel, it ensures safe, fast, and efficient toasting. Designed like 2 toasters in one, each side works independently with dedicated bagel, defrost, reheat, and cancel functions, ideal for families with varied taste preferences. With 1.5-inch extra-wide slots and self-adjusting guides, it accommodates thick bagels and artisan breads easily. Enjoy perfect toast every time with intelligent auto control for toasting time, while the cancel button lets you stop anytime. The high lift lever and removable crumb tray add convenience, and the cord wrap ensures clutter-free storage. Why choose Keystone? It's built for family use, easy to clean, and delivers consistent, customizable toasting, all wrapped in retro charm. A must-have kitchen essential. The next is Number 10. External adjustable rechargeable pepper grinder, stylish and convenient. This adjustable pepper grinder combines style and functionality in a sleek, portable design. Perfect for grinding both salt and pepper, it features an adjustable coarseness setting for customized seasoning. Its rechargeable electric motor offers effortless grinding with just a button press, eliminating manual effort. Compact and fashionable, it fits easily into any kitchen or dining setting. Ideal for everyday cooking, it enhances flavor with consistent grinding while saving time and reducing mess. This versatile spice mill is a must-have kitchen gadget, bringing convenience, precision, and style to your culinary routine. The next is Number 9. Lemechma Stainless Steel Mandoline Slicer, quick, safe, and precise slicing. This vegetable slicer is a high-quality, must-have kitchen tool for slicing potatoes, tomatoes, onions, carrots, and more. Made from durable PP and stainless steel, this adjustable Mandoline slicer ensures fast, uniform cuts with minimal effort. It's easy to operate and designed with safety in mind, making food prep efficient and worry-free. Weighing only 700 g, it's lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for daily use. Ideal for creating salads, stir-fries, or garnishes, this slicer saves time, enhances precision, and keeps your kitchen routine clean and consistent. An essential companion for every modern home cook. The next is Number 8. Dewas Electric Can Opener, effortless and safe can opening. This electric can opener offers a hassle-free solution for opening canned food. Simply place it on the can, press the one-touch button, and it automatically opens the lid with smooth, safe edges, no mess or hand strain. Powered by a smart chipset, it ensures stable cutting, low noise, and overload protection. Made with a high-hardness stainless steel cutter head, it easily handles 99% of can shapes. Rechargeable via Type-C with a 1000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 120 minutes of use. Ideal for all kitchens, it enhances safety, speed, and convenience in everyday cooking. The next is Number 7. Biolemix Professional Kitchen Blender Power, Precision, and Versatility. This professional kitchen blender delivers 2,200 watts of powerful performance, effortlessly crushing ice, blending smoothies, and grinding dry ingredients. Featuring a 2 liters BPA-free low-profile jar, it fits easily under cabinets while providing ample capacity for large batches. With 3 preset auto programs, ice crush, dry grinding, and smoothie, it simplifies meal prep in minutes. Variable speed control and a pulse function offer culinary precision for everything from purees to frozen cocktails. Ideal for daily use, it supports a healthy lifestyle by making nutritious drinks, soups, and sauces quick and easy. Durable and safe, it's a must-have for any modern kitchen. The next is Number 6. Divisib 4-in-1 Automatic Milk Frother, perfect froth every time. This electric milk frother delivers smooth, creamy froth with ease. With a 350 milliliters stainless steel pitcher, it supports hot and cold frothing and heating, ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. Designed for dairy milk, it creates consistent froth when using fresh, cold milk at 46 degrees Celsius. Barista-style plant milk can also be used for non-dairy options. Its dishwasher-safe design ensures quick cleanup, while clear max fill indicators prevent overflow. Compact and efficient, this frother simplifies your daily coffee routine, enhancing every cup with cafe-quality foam at home, making your kitchen your favorite coffee spot. The next is Number 5. Biolemix 4-in-1 Hand Stick Blender Power, Precision, and Versatility. This hand stick blender is a powerful 1,200 watts kitchen tool that blends, chops, whisks, and mixes with ease. It includes stainless steel ice blades, a 600 milliliters smoothie cup, 500 milliliters chopper, egg whisk, and mixing beaker, perfect for making soups, smoothies, baby food, and sauces. With 6 speed settings and one-hand operation, it delivers precise results for various tasks. Its detachable shaft ensures easy cleaning under warm water or in the dishwasher. This compact yet efficient blender saves time and space, making it an ideal companion for everyday cooking in modern kitchens. The next is Number 4. Silver Bread Maker Toaster, efficient and perfectly toasted every time. This silver bread maker toaster is a must-have for busy mornings. With the capacity to bake 6 slices at once, it ensures golden, crispy outsides and soft insides every time. Its powerful heating system and adjustable timing deliver consistent, even toasting. Ideal for family breakfasts, it saves time and effort while enhancing flavor. The sleek design fits any kitchen decor, and its user-friendly features make it perfect for daily use. Enjoy convenience, speed, and quality every morning. This toaster transforms simple bread into a warm, delicious experience, becoming your reliable breakfast assistant every day. The next is Number 3. Biolemix SJ023 Cold Press Juicer, High Yield, BPA-free, easy to use. This cold press juicer is a premium kitchen appliance designed for health-conscious individuals. Featuring a 130 mm wide feed chute, it fits whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time. Its triple filter system 2 mm, 0.8 mm, 0.5 mm ensures maximum juice yield and purity. Made from BPA-free materials, it offers a safe, wholesome juicing experience. The safety lid design and reverse function prevent blockages, enhancing smooth operation. Easy to assemble and clean, it fits seamlessly into daily routines. Perfect for making nutritious juices, this slow masticating juicer boosts energy, supports wellness, and simplifies healthy living every day. The next is Number 2. 3-in-1 Electric Food Processor, Vegetable Dicer, Chopper and Slicer. The 3-in-1 electric food processor is a must-have kitchen appliance for anyone seeking convenience and efficiency in meal preparation. This multifunctional tool combines 3 essential functions: vegetable dicing, chopping, and slicing, into one compact device. Whether you're working with potatoes, onions, carrots, or other vegetables, this processor handles it all with ease. Equipped with 3 durable stainless steel blades, it ensures fast, precise cutting with minimal manual effort. The powerful motor speeds up your kitchen tasks, making it perfect for preparing salads, stir-fries, soups, or snacks. It helps deliver consistent results, ensuring that your ingredients are cut uniformly every time. Its user-friendly design includes an easy-to-operate interface and detachable components that are simple to clean, saving time on both cooking and cleanup. The space-saving design allows it to fit neatly in any kitchen, whether large or small, making it ideal for daily use. With its combination of speed, safety, and versatility, the 3-in-1 electric food processor enhances your cooking experience, reduces kitchen mess, and cuts prep time significantly. Whether you're a busy professional, home cook, or beginner in the kitchen, this processor is a practical and efficient addition to your culinary tools. The next is Number 1. Electric Potato Chips Cutter Stainless Steel Vegetable Cutting Machine with 2 blades. This potato chips cutter is a high-performance kitchen appliance crafted for effortless slicing of potatoes and a variety of vegetables. Constructed from premium stainless steel, this durable machine is built to withstand regular use while maintaining its sharpness and reliability. Equipped with 2 interchangeable blades, it offers versatile cutting options, ideal for creating crispy French fries or thin chips in just seconds. Whether you're preparing snacks, side dishes, or full meals, this electric cutter ensures uniform slices every time, enhancing both presentation and cooking consistency. Its electric-powered operation eliminates the need for manual slicing, allowing for a hands-free, efficient experience in the kitchen. This is especially useful for busy households, large families, or anyone who wants to speed up meal prep without sacrificing quality. The compact and sleek design fits neatly into any kitchen setup, while the removable parts make cleanup quick and hassle-free. With its simple operation and dependable performance, it's a perfect choice for both home cooks and professionals looking to streamline their workflow. Add precision, speed, and ease to your cooking routine with the electric potato chips cutter. From crispy fries to perfectly sliced vegetables, it transforms everyday food preparation into a faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable process.